Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 in high graphics without lag. First, ensure your computer has at least 12 gigabytes of RAM and a graphics card like an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 or an AMD Radeon RX 590. Always keep your graphics drivers updated. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary programs running in the background to free up valuable system resources. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth experience. Next, let's dive into the game's core graphics settings. Set your display scaling to at least 100% for crisp visuals. Some systems can even handle 300%. Crucially, change mirror distance to high instead of ultra, as ultra can heavily burden your CPU. For anti-aliasing, select TAA and ensure TAA Luma sharpening is set to 1.0 to maintain image clarity. For even better performance, consider these advanced tweaks. Reducing shadow quality and vegetation detail can significantly improve your frame rates, especially in dense areas. Adjust traffic and environmental detail to find a balance that suits your system without sacrificing too much immersion. You can also edit the game's config file to change buffer page size to 50 and light distance factor to 4 for subtle visual and performance enhancements. Finally, optimize your operating system for gaming. Enable Windows Game Mode and switch your power plan to high performance to ensure your CPU and GPU operate at their full potential. Access your graphics card's control panel, whether NVIDIA or AMD, and create a specific profile for Euro Truck Simulator 2 with performance-focused settings. If you're not using a solid-state drive, defragmenting your hard drive can also improve loading times and overall smoothness.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.